Presently, I'm going to talk about 9 best ways to get out of the jealousy. In today's world, if you find, then moreover the energy which we try to invest in our work got deviated towards the fact that we are moreover seeing the works done by others, and due to that, the comparison, we are undergoing the feeling of jealousy. So, what are the basic ways, 0 to 9, through which we can overcome the factor of jealousy? So the way I try to study it and the way I just try to find out the solution by going through various literatures and with the help of others, and what I practically try to do in my life. The very first thing is that fully experience the feeling. Like the feeling of jealousy, if it's coming in your mind, then if you will try to suppress it, that will be a difficult thing. The only thing is that be silent, don't react, and just try to experience the feeling to its fullest. Because meanwhile, the kind of change in your temperament, the kind of changes which you will find in your feelings, emotions, the anger, frustration, and everything, vigilantly, if you by own will see yourself, then you will find that what wrong you are doing, or is there anything right in it. So definitely the first step is that fully experience the feeling. The second thing is that love yourself, because while experiencing the feeling to its fullest, you will see that while making anger, while doing any kind of frustration kind of activity, the kind of energy which you are investing, the kind of the harm which you are undergoing, you are just doing it to your own self. So if you will love yourself, you will respect yourself, then definitely you will not give, or you will not pay that much attention to that kind of activities. The third thing is that stop comparing. The day you born on this planet, you are here with a unique purpose. You are having that potential beneath which is untapped. You have something unique. You are completely different from others. So why you are comparing yourself with others? Because your conditions are different from others. Others' condition is different from the other ones. So stop comparing. The first thing is that experience the feeling to its fullest. Second thing is that love yourself. Third thing is that don't compare yourself to others, because when you compare yourself to others, that means somehow you are not respecting yourself. Next thing is that find what's threatening you. Just try to find it out, that what are the reasons or what are the factors due to which you are feeling jealous of others. Means definitely you are lacking somewhere on that factor or something. So just try to inculcate in that one. Like instead of pulling your energy to the negative direction, just make it positive. Just do some kind of positive activities to gain that kind of a skill in your own life. So that is the thing, that what's threatening you. If you got to know that thing, then definitely you can make your rough plan to how to get rid of. Then write it out. Catharsis. Write it down, put it out of your mind, throw it in the recycle bin, and then forget it. That's it. Write it out, do the catharsis process, and just get rid of it. Be realistic. Ask yourself the questions like, is the person really a threat to you? Is he a threatening element to you? Definitely you will find the answer is no. So why are you threatened by him? Leave him. Find your strength. What is your strength? You need to think on it, because while thinking of the strength, you will gain more strength. It's not like by thinking of the strength you can be a egoistic person. It's not like that. But while thinking of weaknesses, you will be more weak. So like with discriminative wisdom in mind, think of your strength and go with it. Then shift your focus. Like if time to time, if the same thought is coming in your mind, then shift your focus. Start doing something else. Shift your mind to the other works. And the last thing is that, is this what we want to do for ourselves? This straight question will give you many answers. Is this what all we want to do for ourselves? No, this is not. So definitely we need to be away from that kind of feelings. So those realistic steps are the definite answer to this question. First one, experience the feeling to its fullest. Second, love yourself. Stop comparing. Find what's threatening you, write it out, be realistic, find your strength, shift your focus, and at the end, is this what we want for ourselves? These are the basic steps through which we can get rid of the jealousy factor, and definitely we own